Hello, this is Scholar Strack doing some math today in geometry. We'll be looking at the surface areas of pyramids and cones. Well, a pyramid has one base. It could be triangular, it could be rectangular, it could be many different objects, but all the lateral faces meet at one point, the top, and we call this the vertex. A regular pyramid has a base that is regular, so a square, or a regular pentagon, regular hexagon, so on. And a pyramid has, let's draw my square here. A pyramid has two different heights. It has the height that goes to the center of the pyramid, or it starts at the vertex and just drops down. And then we have something called the slant height. So let's see if I can draw this. So the slant height would be from the top sliding down the center of the pyramid, reaching the end. So that would be considered slant height, and we use a cursive L for slant height. Surface area for a pyramid is equal to the area of the base plus 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. And let's do some examples here. Oh wait, let's go for a cone. I forgot about cone. And then we can do examples of the two formulas. A cone is basically an ice cream cone. We have a circular base, and we have a pointy top or bottom, however you want to call it. And then here's the surface area of a cone, which is the area of the bottom, plus the lateral area, which is pi times r times L. Alright, let's look at an example here. Find the surface area of a square pyramid. Okay, so the hardest part is finding the area of each lateral face. But luckily, they're all the same. So we need to do a few things here. So they don't give us the slant height, and we need that. So what happened is they gave us the height of the pyramid, and they gave us that little distance there. So they told us that the base of the pyramid is 90 centimeters. So if I wanted to find the distance from one side of the pyramid to the center, that would be 45 centimeters, because it's just half going to the middle. Okay, so we now have a triangle that is 97 by 45. So to find the hypotenuse, or the slant height, we're going to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 97 squared plus 45 squared is equal to c squared, which is 9,409 plus 25 equals c squared. Take the square root of 11,434, and that'll give us c, which C, or in this case, the slant height, is 107, around 107 centimeters. Okay, now we can find our area of one of our lateral faces, one of the sides. Area of a triangle is 1/2 the base of the triangle times slant height, or the height of the triangle. So 1/2 B, which is 90, times our newly discovered slant height, which is 107, which is about 4,815 square centimeters. So that is our LA. For one, actually that's not our LA. LA is 4 times, because there's 4 triangular faces, front, back, left, right. So 4 times 4,815 is equal to 19,260. Okay, now we can find the area of the base. All the base is 90 by 90 square. So 90 squared is 8,100. Okay, now we just add them together. Surface area is the area of the base plus our lateral area. So 8,100 plus 19,260 is equal to 27,360 square centimeters. All right. Now, what if we have a hexagonal base? So remember, a hexagonal base, if we have something bigger than a rectangle, or something bigger than a rectangle in terms of number of sides, the area of any polygon is equal to 1/2 AP, where A is the apothem. A is 4 times the square root of 3 in that case. P is the perimeter, which is equal to the number of sides times the side length. So S is 8, and then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sided. So this is hexagonal. Oh yeah, hexagon is 6. So the perimeter is 6 times 8, which is 48. So the area of my hexagonal base is 1/2 48, or no, apothem is 4 root 3 times 48. So this will be 96 times the square root of 3. Find the lateral area. Okay, so they give us the slant height in this one, and our base is 8. So 1/2 base times slant height. So 1/2 8 times 18, which is 72. Okay, that's one triangle, but to find the rest of the lateral area, you have to multiply that by 6, because there's 6 triangles there. So we have 432 square inches for my lateral area. Now we can add them all up. 432 plus 96 root 3, which is equal to 598.3 square inches. All right, surface area of a cone. So I'm just going to write it down here. Surface area of a cone is the area of the base plus the lateral area. in this case, this is pi r squared plus pi r L. But if you want to break it into pieces, first let's find the area of the circular base. Area of a circle is pi r squared. So pi times r, which is 3 squared, so 9 pi. Find the lateral area. So the lateral area, it's kind of, it's triangular, but basically it is 1/2 the circumference times L, which if we put that all out, 1/2 times 2 pi r times L. So this is where pi times r times L comes from, which is pi times 3 times 5, which is 15 pi. So I have 9 pi plus 15 pi is equal to 24 pi. And I'll let you put it in your calculators to find out what 24 pi square meters. All right, let's do some more examples here. Surface area of a pyramid, once again, is the area of the base plus the lateral area, which is equal to 1/2 the perimeter times slant height. So surface area of the base is just 20 times 20, or 20 squared, plus 1/2 the perimeter, 20 times 4, times slant height, which is 30. So I have 400 plus 1200 is 1600 square millimeters. Pyramid of a cone, or surface area of a cone, is area of the base plus the lateral area, which in this case, area of the base is a circle, so pi r squared plus pi r L. So I'll have pi times 6 squared plus 6 pi times 10. So this is 36 pi plus 60 pi, so 96 pi square feet. Hopefully this helped you out. Have a good day.